Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to sign up for Cash App. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. In order to sign up for Cash App, you will need a phone because from the web application you can create an account. Now once you have your phone, go to your App Store or Play Store, then go to the search bar, then type in Cash App. Once you find this app, tap on it. Then you'll see a download button on this page, tap on download, and once the app is installed, open the app. Once the app is open, you can sign up using your phone number or email. If you want to enter your phone number, just go ahead and enter your phone number, and if you want to use your email, tap on this button. Now you'll have to enter your email address. Once you type in your email, tap on this next button. Then it will send you a code in your email address. Go ahead and check your Gmail, and once you receive the code, type in the code. After that, tap on this next button. Once you do so, it will ask you to confirm your country. Just tap on this button at the bottom. After that, it will ask you to enter your debit card informations. You can fill up this form or just simply tap on this skip button. Then you'll have to enter your legal name, so go ahead and do that. After that, tap on the next button. Once you do so, it will ask you to choose a cash tag that will be your username, so go ahead and create one. Once you create a username, tap on the next button. Then it will ask you to enter your zip code, so go ahead and enter that and then tap on next. You can also create a cash card. If you want to create it, tap on next, but if you don't want to create it, just tap on skip. And then you can also invite your friends to get $10. If you want to earn $10, tap on this continue button, and if you don't want to, you can just simply tap on skip. Now that will be it. Once you complete that last step, your account will be created. So this is it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.